or the duodenal contents. The duodenal contents means small intestine, large intestine contents. So in the small intestine and large intestine contents, it is simply duodenal drainage. It is the indication for the duodenal drainage. It is indication of the duodenal drainage. So in here, what is the importance? Number one is the diagnosis of the liver and biliary tract disease. Of liver and as well as the biliary tract disease. And the next one for diagnosis of purpose of related to the parasites and pancreatic enzymes and etc. And the next one, therapeutic drainage is the cholinergic biliary obstructions. These are all are the studied biliary obstruction is the studied. So this is the diagnosis of the liver, biliary tract, and then is diagnosis of parasites. And the next one, parasitic pancreatic enzymes also determined here, and the biliary obstruction also determined. What is the composition of the bile? Composition of bile means duodenal composition, bile or duodenal composition. So first one is the volume. What is the volume of the duodenal in the for near 24 hours? So 700 to 1000 ml per a day. And what is the specific gravity? Specific gravity 1.010 specific gravity. And then this specific gravity, especially the 010, is presented in the hepatic duct only. Hepatic duct only. What about the gallbladder? 1.026 in the gallbladder. Gallbladder. And the next one in the gallbladder and hepatic duct. So it have the different types of compositions are presented. So for example, this is the total solids. So this is a hepatic duct and this is the gallbladder. So in the total solid, so bile salts. How much of bile salts in the presented in the hepatic duct? 1.08 gram percentage is presented here. 8.7 gram percentage in here. And fatty acids and lipids is presented in the hepatic duct is a 0.24 grams percentage, and here 1.8 gram percentage is here. And cholesterol 0.16 gram percentage in the hepatic duct and 0.87 grams is presented in here. And the next one, pH. So here just 7.5 7.5 to 7.6 pH is presented in the hepatic duct. And the next one, what about the sodium? Sodium is 134 to 156 MEq per liter. And potassium, it is a 3.9 to 6.3 MEq per liters. And chloride ions is a chloride ions 83 to 110 MEq per liters is presented. So this is the composition of the bile. This is about the composition of the bile. And the next one, what about the composition of the pancreatic juice? So in the duodenal content, pancreatic juice also is presented. So what about the pancreatic juice? What about the pancreatic juice? So in the pancreatic juice is what is the volume in the 24 hours? So 500 to 800 ml. And specific gravity. So specific gravity, what about the specific gravity? 1.007 is the specific gravity, and pH is 7.8. So this is about the composition of the pancreatic juice. And which type of enzymes, digestive enzymes are presented? So which type of digestive enzymes are present in the duodenal content? Digestive enzymes. So first one is it proteolytic enzymes are presented. Proteolytic enzymes like trypsin enzyme is presented. Elastase enzyme or cholanginase enzyme is presented. Collagenase enzyme is presented. And the next one, peptidases. So peptidases is presented in the peptidases is presented in the digestive enzyme. And the next one, aminopeptidase enzyme. Aminopeptidase enzyme is presented. And nuclease enzyme is presented. And the next one, deoxyribonuclease enzyme. Fifth, deoxyribonuclease enzyme is presented. Amylase enzyme is presented. Lipase enzymes, phospholipase enzyme is these type of enzymes are presented in the duodenal tract. So this is about the duodenal tract. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss.